from the North Rift region have told of their Rift Valley counterparts to desist from engaging in succession politics and instead concentrate on issues that will improve the lives of the electorate. This comes amidst debate among leaders in the Rift Valley over the implementation of key projects in the vast Rift Valley region. Last week, some leaders demanded that cabinet secretaries implement projects in the region, as Elvis Kosgei now reports.
Last week, section of leaders drawn from the Rift Valley region accused some cabinet secretaries of failing to implement key projects in the counties, including their failure to offer local contractors job opportunities on the local road projects. However, speaking at St. Gregory Church in Kiplombe, Soi constituency in the county of Uasin, the leaders have urged their counterparts to embrace dialogue.
Ya kugombana pale juu ya sijui njia juu ya nini hiyo tuache. Kama kuna shida, we retreat back to our offices, back to our boardrooms, so that we can talk our issues to malizane, and we support the president in the delivery of the agenda of the Kenya Kwanza agenda ambayo tuliuzia watu wetu.
Tulikaa tu tukasherekea tukasema sisi tuko and we never worked. When Kibaki took over in 2002, akaleta biashara, akaleta banks, akaleta nini. Sisi pia we didn't take advantage and do business. Watu wengine wakafanya biashara. By the time Kibaki was leaving, they were very strong in business, strong in agriculture, strong in almost everything, and even family, and even children, and even education. We were very strong. Lakini sisi saa hii hapa tumeanza siasa ingine ngumu sana that will waste our 10 years. Alafu tutakuja kulia hapo mbele.
Wenyewe hamukujangi katika mikutano ambayo tunafanyanga kule Nairobi na hao viongozi. Wakati tumeenda state lot pale Eldoret, hamukuwa pale. Alafu kitu ambao mnafika hapa mashinani, mnasema wajumba waongei. Kwa sababu when we have information, we don't speak because we already know what has been happening. Nyinyi mnatoanga information katika WhatsApp ya viongozi ya hiyo WhatsApp yenye tuko nayo wote pamoja. Alafu mnakuja hapa tunaanza kutuzi viongozi ambao inafaa tuwape heshima ndio tuweze kufanya kazi pamoja.
On the Kingpin debate, the leaders said majority of Kenyans are dealing with poverty and financial issues, and the leaders ought to look for solutions that could improve their lives instead of empty rhetoric.
Watu wanasema 2032. Mimi naomba tu Mungu nimalizie mashida yangu mapema. Hata nimalize tu mashida nusu kabla hata niongee huko mbele. So wananchi, as we speak, let us concentrate on core issues kama yenye tumesema, viongozi wamesema hapa, kama railway city, hospitali, hii yote. Hii ya Kingpin, msiende kuambia kiongozi kuja hapa tukupange ukue Kingpin, kuja tukupange ukue hii, kuja tukupange ukue hii. We will be wasting a lot of time, and then William will exit and we cry, and we may cry longer this time.
Nikiitwa viongozi wote waitwe, tukae chini tufanye kazi. Lakini vita kidogo hii unasikia huku na huku, kila kiongozi anakimbia huko anagonga ule mwingine anakimbia huko anagonga. It will not assist our people because our people needs servant leadership.
Most of these projects that we are talking about that are to be done in Uasin, we've spoken more or less in one voice.
However, the matter remains outstanding since it's yet to be addressed by those targeted by the message. It may, however, play out in the coming days. Elvis Kosgei, KTN News, Uasin Gishu County.
It's now time for water.